Now to start this painting, all you have to do is get onto your canvas. So all you have to do is get the pattern, which I have the pattern for you on my website, or I will send you a link. And so just get some carbon paper. There are other ways to trace it on carbon paper, and I taped it down first. Okay, it's taped down. Put the carbon paper underneath the black side down. Okay, and then you just trace out your pattern. It's mostly for a guideline, okay, because you can make changes along the way. I also use this template for the eyes because it has these circles on it, perfect circles. Sometimes it's hard to get circles. So if you have one of these, you don't have to, but if you have one, see, you make your eyes, you go in through that circle and you make a circle there, and you make a circle here. And for the smaller circles, there are small little circles there. So these templates are pretty good for, you know, making straight lines and circles and different things. You know, lots of things you can do with this. You can also, in your drawings, you can erase lines and all kinds of things. So and because we have a black canvas, we can't use our black carbon paper. So what I did was, I took the back of the printout and I put chalk all over the back. Yellow chalk. And this is how you transfer it to your black canvas. So now you just tape it onto your black canvas, and then you start tracing out the outline of the cat. So when you take a pen and you trace the outline, the chalk will come off and you will have your drawing. See? So do any important lines that you think you need to help you get your cat on your canvas with the good proportions. So the one good thing about chalk is that when you're finished your painting, you can wipe off the chalk with a damp brush. Hi guys, I'm going to show you some great tips on how to do a drawing, and it's going to be, you're going to do a drawing on some just regular paper, copy paper from your printer, and you do your sketch on this first so that you can do all kinds of corrections and fix everything up the way you want it. So when you get it the way you want it, then you can transfer this sketch, a drawing that I did myself out of my mind. I'll show you how to do that now in another video. And you can transfer this sketch then to your paper, another paper, which is a much better paper, cardstock paper, and it's nice and stiff. And you can use Bristle board paper, any paper that's really heavy, nice, you know, 200 pounds or more. And that way then you will do your final drawing on that paper, and that will be your final drawing. So on the flimsy paper where you're doing your practice, you do that first, and then when you get it the way you want it, you can transfer it. Now here's how you transfer it. What you do is, you don't use carbon paper that we use for transferring sketches to your canvas, because it won't erase and you'll be stuck with the mess. So you don't use the carbon paper. Just use that for a canvas that you're going to paint on, because you can paint over the lines. But when you're drawing on paper, you want to be able to erase it just in case you fool up a little bit. And what I did was, I took a piece of the paper, again, copy paper, and all I did was, it's a plain piece of paper, and you just take it, and you take a pencil, a nice dark pencil, maybe a 4B or, you know, anything more, and you scratch on all these lines on the back, on your paper, all this graphite or pencil on the back or any side of your paper. And then what you come up with is this paper here that you can use now for transferring your sketch. to your nice paper. So now all you have to do is take the paper that you put all your graphite on, and you slip it underneath your sketch that you did to transfer to your better paper, and you lay it down, and then all you have to do is get a pen. So you're better off to get a pen. I find you can get better transfer of the sketch. So all you do then is outline your sketch or draw out your sketch and just push hard on the lines, and when you transfer this sketch to the paper that you want to use, you can take it up and you can see the lines. And what happens is, if you make a mistake, you can erase it. You can erase the lines if you make a mistake, but you can't do that with carbon paper. So you just see the lines, and then if you make a mistake, you can easily erase it, because it's all it is pencil. So that's one tip on transferring your sketch to paper. Well, thank you for watching my video today. I just want to say thank you all for all your support through my Patreon page, and just for watching my videos. I'm really happy that I could do this for you, and I get a lot of nice compliments. So I am so happy that you watched that video, and if you have any questions about what you saw in the video, just leave your comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can for you. And we will do some more videos coming up.